Getting ready to move it. East Brookfield. January 23, 2024. M264. Autorex for EBSR behind me. Very mild January day.
264 clear, CB60 main east 746 south.
Like the man says, they may be pulling in directly here. I think they
What's going on down there?
are out of time.
At the frame staff. Yeah, 264 to the blue truck come over.
Come on, guys, I know you're out there. But a watched pot never boils. Approaching very slowly. This train has been arriving at all hours. In the middle of the night, early evening, early morning. Yep, he is going directly into EBSR. Train originates in Buffalo, land of snow. Donkey style. Beautiful hourglass. You know what that sound is. That's the Lorium. Warning everybody to watch out. Fallen flag, Southern Pacific. Beautiful CPKC. Beautiful Norfolk Southern Hourglass.
Started 264. Hey, you guys want those cars at the pump house? Yes, please. And I've been talking to the crews lately.
Beautiful CSX.
Set them all on the south side. South side, taking the main line for us. So all handbrakes on the south side and leave the train at the pump house. Correct. Welcome.
Beautiful Union Pacific Hourglass.
They're all lined up all the way to the 8-9 switch. I'll get that switch in a second for you. Keep your eyes peeled. The track thing for you. Got it. Leo, you all set up there? Roger, good guys. That's up.
An ETTX. Several of them. Here we go. Conrail quality. See, Janice? That's what it looks like. Another one. Conrail quality. Beautiful Hourglass. Here's the beautiful paper airplane. One of my favorite tags of all time. All loaded auto racks. Mercifully, the buffalo snow has melted away from them.